Tron Air, the most trusted name in aircraft ground support equipment.
Hi, my name is Charles Durate, and I'm a product manager with Tron Air, and today we'll be going over the 8844B Malabar strut service cart. The strut service tool is meant to reduce the time and man hours required to service struts on aircraft, while also reducing the amount of equipment required. By using this tool, you eliminate the need to jack an aircraft, while also utilizing a single point connection for both fluid and nitrogen. This unit is equipped with foam-filled tires that don't require servicing of air, a tow bar lunette for towing out to the ramp, and a waste tank to make it usable on the ramp or the hangar. This video is not meant to replace the use of an operations service manual, but rather uses a reference when using the unit. For commissioning the unit, you will remove the reservoir fill cap and add hydraulic fluid. At the bottom, you have a clean reservoir tank, and you'll fill until the blue arrow, signifying that the tank is full. You also verify that you have oil in your oiler, which provides lubrication to your air pump. So we will now prime the strut service cart for use. First, you will connect your shop air to the air inlet. You will come down, turn the flow valve parallel, verify that your selector valve is a hydraulic pump, bypass the reservoir. Then you will operate to run hydraulic pump. Hydraulic fluid will now begin to flow through the unit, priming the pump. Once the pump is primed, we'll turn the air supply valve to off and return the valve back to the vertical position. For pre-operation inspection, first we'll verify that our gauges are not cracked, damaged, or missing fluid. We'll check the frame to make sure no welds are cracked and there's no damaged structure. You also verify that your waste tank is not filled above the level. We recommend draining before every use. To drain, you will go back here, and there is a ball valve to release hydraulic fluid to drain it. You also do a visual inspection to verify there's no leaks present, as well as verifying that your desiccant is still blue in color. The unit is now ready for operation. Please refer to our step-by-step video on how to operate the 8844B strut service tool.
For more information, contact product support at tronair.com or call 419-866-6301.